no smoothing. I mean, this is just, right, you can just play with it yourself and see really what you like to have it on. Like I said, I like no smooth, one on a 3 length, one on a 9 length. Pretty much is what I'm using. Obviously, I got the deviation bands on it. It's nice because when both the lengths peak out like that and they both start heading down, this was kind of like this low length started coming down before the higher length one did right there. Boom, boom. And you can see price kept walking up. But when they both at the same time are up around that second or third deviation band, like over here, you can see it better. This is more pronounced. They both reached the same height. And then when they both started heading down, eventually, price just rolled over. But now you can see the return oscillator, even with that pullback test at the top of the monthly range. Now the return oscillator is above the zero mean with every one of these is actually from right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stabs of bull div. Yeah, this could pop. This could pop. Although this is going to have to change at the beginning of the day. Let's see here. Yeah, this last 4-hour candle's flipping around on the entropy, though. For sure. Got a strong correlation to the top side again. Yeah, so the Fisher's pretty, yeah, at least I see. I just read. Might not be a good idea if you like to run all 4 plots, right? Kind of like how I have different lengths on the APP that's on the AV or on the AVR. A bunch of different lengths, just so when they all top out or they all bottom out, then you're really paying attention. Like if you were to have like a 3, 9, a 15, and a 21 or something, that could be pretty powerful. And I like to stay in that 3, 6, 9 area where if you break down the number, always going to add up to one of those numbers. That has always been really powerful for me, no matter what type of trading I've done.